Onuia Towels Review 2026, Scam or Legit? In this video, we're taking an honest look at Onuia towels to find out whether they're genuinely worth buying or just another overhyped product. We'll examine their quality, materials, customer feedback, and overall value to help you decide whether they're a smart purchase. Before we get started, if you're interested in buying these towels, you'll find their purchase link in the video description below. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Let's start with what Onuia towels claim to offer. Onuia markets its towels as premium cotton towels inspired by luxury hotel-quality products. The company promotes features such as softness, high absorbency, quick drying, and long-lasting durability. Some product listings also describe them as Egyptian cotton towels. So do they actually live up to the marketing? The honest answer is partially. Many verified customers say the towels feel soft, absorb water well, and become more comfortable after a few washes. Several buyers also appreciate their lightweight design and attractive colors. However, not every customer has had the same experience. One of the biggest concerns involves durability. A noticeable number of buyers report excessive lint during the first few washes, delayed shipping, fraying edges, and towels that feel thinner than expected, especially the lower GSM versions. Others, however, say they're satisfied with the softness and everyday performance, showing that customer experiences have been mixed. Another point worth discussing is the material. Independent reviewers note that while the towels are made from 100% cotton, there is no publicly verified evidence confirming that the cotton is certified Egyptian cotton. Some reviewers also state that the products are manufactured in China and sold through a relatively new online brand, so buyers should be cautious about premium marketing claims. Now let's answer the biggest question. Is Onuia a scam? Based on the available information, there is no strong evidence that Onuia is an outright scam. The company delivers products to customers and has a large number of verified reviews. However, there are enough complaints regarding shipping times, product durability, lint shedding, and value for money that it's important to keep realistic expectations. Independent website safety services also consider the website generally legitimate, although they note that it has received a significant number of negative customer reviews. If you decide to buy, choose the towel weight that best suits your needs, follow the washing instructions carefully, and wash the towels separately during the first few washes to reduce lint transfer. Here's my honest verdict. Onuia towels are not a scam, but they're not the luxury miracle towels some advertisements suggest either. If you're looking for soft, everyday cotton towels and don't mind a break-in period with some lint, they may be a reasonable choice. However, if you're expecting true luxury hotel-quality Egyptian cotton with exceptional durability, you may find better value from more established premium towel brands. If you'd like to check the latest price or purchase these towels, you'll find their purchase link in the video description below. If you found this honest review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more unbiased product reviews, and let me know in the comments which product you'd like me to review next.